Hi, today I'm reviewing LENOVO TAB M10 Plus and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's open the Google folder, and from here we should launch the Gmail application. Just to log out from Gmail account from Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account in our device, and to do that we should click here to the right upper corner, tap to manage accounts on this device, select our account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again, tap to OK and use one from your protection methods if you use it on your tablet. Now in Google account settings we can see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account, and now let's go back to the application, and here in app we can also see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.